This is your favorite president, Donald J. Trump. Most of you are aware of the incompetence of Minnesota's political leadership. Kim No Balls Walls, Jacob Small Fry, Keith Even Smaller Ellison, Bloody Mary Moriarty, and the fraudster in chief, the queen of corruption, mentally Ilhan Omar. Why you Minnesotans keep voting for the retards, I don't know, but they have really put you on the map. At this point, the only other way for you to get on the map is if the Somalis steal the Lombardi Super Bowl trophy for the Minnesota Vikings to steal their way to a Super Bowl win. Because the fraud, waste, and sheer incompetence coming out of Minnesota now affects the entire country, I'm proud to announce the first ever joint resolution between all those in Minnesota who are responsible for the fraud, abuse, and cover-up. The Democrats in the United States Congress, the Democrats in the Minnesota State Legislature, the governor of Minnesota, the mayor of Minneapolis, and all the state of Minnesota federal and state court judges. All these political leaders are responsible for this fraud and are now going to support this bill to help you recoup a portion of the taxes that you have paid to support the waste, fraud, and abuse in the state of Minnesota that they encouraged and enabled over the past 5 years. I am introducing the Omar Walls Act, designed to address ongoing misallocation of assets and resources, that's Omar, and wasteful authorization of liabilities and zero oversight, that's Walls. All taxpayers may deduct 25% of the federal income taxes they paid in 2023 and 2024, as shown on line 16 of Form 1040. We're calling it the Civic Fraud and Incompetence Expense Deduction. It goes on Schedule C, Other Expenses. It will reduce your taxes by at least $3,000. And if you live in Minnesota, you can deduct twice that amount on your state income tax return for about a $6,000 reduction in your taxes. It's time for you to take back some of those taxes you have paid, and this is the best way to get that done. And you need to make your state of Minnesota pay twice as much. If you need help navigating any of this, talk to the CPAs at EveryDayCPA. Hard truths, better decisions, happier life. Thank you, and God bless America.